tape machine transfer HSC tapes to DVD. First off, you need your HSC tape player. Now I have these recorders right here. You can just buy one for these for $60 right here. $60. Broken VHS doesn't work on this. And buy another, you can go to well connected for $10. You can see the setup in here. So what you need is your tape. Put it in the player right here. Got this one for $20, and then I found one available for $10. So, second, you'll need a recordable disc. These are mg9 Plex disc or any other one. These ones just seem to last so long at quality, and they never fail. So, what I'm gonna do, I have one of these in here. So I'm gonna use that thing. Next up, you have your remote. What you can do is set the record speed, SP, SPP, LP, EP, super long play, which is 6 hours speed. You want to do it for how long the tape is, like 30 minutes, not like waste one disc. These are about 30 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes of data. So what you're going to do is set the record time to 2 hours. Set the record time for 2 hours. If you didn't, then what you're going to do is fast forward to see how long your tape is. As you can see, our tape is 21 minutes long. What I'm going to do is rewind here, fast forward to see how long it is, and it's just switch the tape so it plays better. What you do is hit record, and then, as you can see, here's the picture on the screen. I don't want to show too much of this at all. So as you can see, picture is playing fine. And these might stay at standard definition, but these upcoming 1080p, and this unit does upconvert. You might see a bit pause in the middle of this tape. Let me just show you real quick. These things like a pause into 14 wire. Don't assume your tape is done. What you want to do is fast forward all the way. Sure. As you see, there's more on here. You just stop your tape. Hit the return button. What you want to do to go back to your menu, if the menu's not, it's hit this menu. As you can see, we got our one title in here. To edit title, press OK. Edit. Edit title name. And to find your letters, you just press and you want to click yes on here, then click the return button. As you see, it's writing that in, write it to this. See your title there. then the finalize, you hit the stop button. Then the setup button, remote, disk edit, then finalize. It's gonna ask you to finalize it. Then after it's done finalizing. Here's how you know it's finalized. You won't see any more minutes down there. It still says empty title and space, means you just not finalized. And another way to check if it's finalized or not is click the up arrow on the remote. And we'll say unfinalized. So I showed you how to finalize it. So then another image, you gotta convert the converted disc from the combo recorder to digital. So anyway, I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I do offer the service myself. I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks.